been in a situation like a presentation or a meeting wherein the moment you have shared your ideas or opinions, everybody in the room becomes quiet? They don't feel the need to say anything, and you're looking for a little sign of acknowledgement. But no, this silence makes you feel uncomfortable. You start losing confidence on your idea. You start being fearful that what your boss is going to say after the meeting or presentation gets over. But what if, my friends, this idea is too big for them to understand? What if they like the idea, but because they are being fearful of the boss who is sitting there and who has not given any sign of acknowledgement, they are not saying anything? What if they have not expected this kind of brilliant idea from you? You don't know why they are silent. You will lose your self-confidence when you don't value yourself. Value. Let's imagine you have washed your jeans in the washing machine and you forgot to take out your wallet. Afterwards, when you take out your wallet, you see that all the money is wet. You will go and throw it in the dustbin immediately, right? No, you're not going to do that. Rather, you will take each money in your hand and dry it very cautiously. Because even though the money is wet, it still holds some value. Rather the same value. So my friends, when the money doesn't lose its value when it's wet, how can we lose our value when others don't accept us, don't like us, or dislike our ideas? Always remember, the more you value yourself, the higher will be your self-confidence. Only a jeweler knows the value of diamond. Others will just say it's a precious stone. You know, you value yourself when you know that your abilities, your capabilities makes your home a better place to live. You value yourself, my friends, when you know that you are an integral part of a team or a project. You value yourself when you understand your importance as a man, woman, brother, sister, father, mother, any relation on this planet. You enjoy your own company. You know your capabilities and willingly contributing to this world. You value yourself when you are consciously working towards your goal. You value yourself when you are conscious of the people you spend time with, because you know your circle influences your personality. You value yourself, my friends, when you are living every day on this planet passionately, as if this is the last day on earth. You value yourself when you are being true to yourself and others. You know that you have certain values and beliefs and you are unwilling to compromise with that. You value yourself when you make a decision and stand by that, even if it doesn't go well. You value yourself when things don't go well. You are your cheerleader. You are okay if people don't like you or people don't agree to your ideas. You can be nice to people who have different opinions or different perspective. My friends, when a 2000 rupees note or a dollar bill doesn't lose its value when it's wet or crumpled, how can we lose our value when others don't like us or approve of our ideas or don't accept who we are? Your life is not going to be determined by the value others think of you. This is Isha Khanna signing off. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day, blessed life. Stay cautious, stay safe.